Alright, this problem is off of the worksheet on 10.5. It is problem number 2 where it says find an equivalent vector that starts at the origin, given a vector whose endpoints are p and q. So if you look at p and q, you go negative 3, 5, you get a point, and q is 7, 11, so you go out 7, clear down to 11. So the vector pq, that's what this is here. Denoted as such. Here, I'll rewrite that. Vector pq. What we want to do is basically take and move this. Maybe I can even do it here. Yeah, there we go. What we want to do is be able to move that vector so that its endpoint starts at the origin. So geometrically, graphically, however you want to look at it, that's physically moving that line so that one end starts at the origin. So how do you do this algebraically? It's really simple. I'm actually going to move my q up here, and just like I did in class, I'm going to call this x1, y1, and this x2, y2. And to find my vector, I guess I'll call it resulting vector r. It's going to be x2 minus x1, comma, y2 minus y1. So you plug your numbers in. That's the general form. You're going to take and subtract your x's from each other, and that'll be your resulting x. You're going to take your y values, you're going to subtract from each other, and you're going to get your resulting y's. So that's going to be 7 minus negative 3, comma, negative 11 minus 5. End bracket. Right, that's just an equal sign. That vector is 10, comma, negative 16. So this vector here, again, based on the notation, that hard bracket, that sideways V bracket, means that this vector starts at 0, 0 and ends at 10, comma, negative 16. So again, if I were to have moved this, I'm going to go over 10, negative 16 down here, starting at the origin. So you can see how they have the same magnitude, they're located at different spots. So again, just to recap, if you're given a point P and a point Q, and you need to find a vector equivalent that starts at the origin, just take your x's and subtract them, take your y's and subtract them. Last thing it's going to ask for is the resultant, or the magnitude of the resultant, which in this case is the square root of 10 squared plus negative 16 squared, which is the square root of a very large number. Be 25,600 to be exact. So a question like that on the test is going to say find an equivalent vector. Okay, done. And then find the magnitude of that equivalent vector. 25,000, square root of 25,600. So that's it.